Hey friends, if you wish to allow or block pop-up windows on specific sites in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Now scroll down and select settings. Go to cookies and site permissions. In the right pane, scroll down to pop-ups and redirects. Now you have the option to block certain sites, like I can block pop-ups from, let's say, facebook.com, and then I can add it. And I wish to specifically allow websites, like I can add youtube.com, so that I will add it. Now here's the thing, why would I have to add it? Blocking it makes sense because a lot of pop-ups are blocked by default here. So if they are blocked by default, then there are certain sites on which you would like to allow pop-up windows. So for that you'll have to add them specifically to the allow list. And why do we need to add it to the block list then? We need to add it to the block list because despite the block filter, still a few sites will be able to manage to send pop-up redirects. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.